In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma slides presentations. Let's dive right in and begin by logging into your Figma account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Up at the top right of your screen, you'll notice your central hub. This is essential for managing your projects and navigating through the myriad features Figma offers. Now let's focus on finding the Slides feature. Click on it and a slide window will appear before you. This is going to be your playground for creativity as you browse through various slide templates. Figma offers a spectacular range of slides tailored for different purposes and styles. You might choose a template that aligns perfectly with your vision, so feel free to explore the diverse selection available. At this point, you find yourself with two options. Start with a predefined outline provided by Figma or opt to start from scratch. For this tutorial, we're going all in and starting from scratch. As soon as you make this choice, you'll be introduced to your very first slide. Typically, this initial slide is designated for your slide deck title, and you'll be able to see that immediate invitation to input your title. To move forward, type in the title of your presentation and add a brief description if needed. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for your audience and gives your presentation a clear, focused starting point. With the title slide aptly set up, it's time to flesh out your presentation by adding additional slides. Adding more slides is a breeze. Simply click on the New Slide button. This action will present you with a host of slide template choices. Now, these templates are fantastic starting points, pre-designed slides that you can seamlessly customize to fit the unique needs of your presentation. Find a design that resonates with your message, select it, and tailor the content to align perfectly with your goals. But perhaps you have a different creative vision and prefer to start with a blank canvas. If that's the case, head over to the plus button located next to the new slide option. Click it and voila, you're ready to build a fresh slide from the ground up. And just like that, you've crafted a presentation in Figma. It truly is an intuitive and powerful tool that's brimming with customization options. I'd encourage you to delve deeper, experiment with its various features and designs, and let your creativity shine. Congratulations on reaching this point. Feel free to continue exploring to refine your Figma slides presentation. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial to be a valuable step in your creative journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.